interacting with our dealers, helping our dealers, be successful selling Artsway product. So we sat back and took a little bit of a look of, where we're at and what we're doing. Art said it best: if you can't hear if you're flapping your own gums. So, we set out to listen to our dealers, end users, even some of our employees here, and also got some feedback from places like farmequipment.com through some of the dealer surveys that they do. We did have a third party, conduct some interviews and collect some feedback for us with all these groups, and we really wanted to know what we were doing well and what areas needed improvement. Some of the good things we did here were, we sell long-lasting products. We know our customers, reliable, do what dealers expect. Some of the areas that we can improve in were, quality of our products, service. We heard that it's not always easy to sell our products, that we need to provide better dealer support. And our biggest takeaway was just to do a better job building our relationships with our dealer partners. And when our dealers are successful, obviously Artsway is successful as well. Art said it best: listening without action is like lighting the grill and never throwing on the T-bone. So our research means nothing if we don't put that feedback into practice and change some of our ways. So we've started putting those actions in place based off of what we heard. We looked at everything we do: products, service, marketing, training opportunities. Art said it best: the crop doesn't get better unless you pick the weeds and spread the fertilizer. So selling more product starts with building confidence that you're selling the best and you're selling what customers want. So we did start looking at our products and ask the questions, what can we do to ensure quality? How can we address today's needs with new products, along with our existing product line? So some of the things we're doing to make better product for our dealers to sell, we did hire a new product manager at the end of last year. His name is Rob Barger. He comes to us with background in ag, with almost 30 years experience. Companies like Kuhn, Kloss, Krone, John Deere. His job is to help us develop the product plan, which products we're going to bring to market, which features, benefits to meet the market needs, to help dealers have the products that their customers want and can get them sold. And, some of the other things here, we've never had a broader lineup with features and benefits that stand out from the competition for our dealers to sell. We did make some product enhancements based on the feedback from dealers and some of our customers, working closely with them on their farms. And, we feel it should inspire some confidence in our dealer partners that we've got the products that they can go out and sell and make some money on. So, in 2021, we did launch some of our new products. One of our biggest, broadest product release to date. We have the 2100 series forage box and the 9016 high dump, along with the X series manure spreaders. And we've certainly got more products coming down the pipeline. We'll be taking that 2100 series forage box, adding different sizes, 16, 18, 20 foot sizes. That 2100 is fully hydraulic. We will be releasing a PTO version of that later this summer. We are also working on some additional sizes of manure spreaders that we hope to be testing later this fall into the winter. And then we do have a few other projects underway at the moment as well that we should be bringing to fruition in 2022. So we are pretty excited about that. Art said it best: it's hard to tie your boot with only one hand. We've got to have those dealer partners to help us, grow the company and bring these products to the marketplace. And we realize that, we need to be more responsive. We need to provide our dealers better tools. And we can certainly improve on areas such as financing, training, communication, in our marketing efforts. And those are all things that we are currently working on. Our job is to make it as easy as possible to sell Artsway product, and therefore, we're 100% recommitting to creating that partnership with our dealers, and hopefully that partnership is, will be second to none in the marketplace. So a few things that we are doing to better support our dealers. We did establish a dealer council. We have 5 dealers on the council at the moment. We had our first introductory meeting last week. These dealers are spread across North America, different geographic areas. Each, they sell some similar products, but each sell a few unique products to their area. We will be creating a new website, and it will actually have a product configurator on it that your customers and yourselves will be able to use to build out their products with the correct features that they're looking for on it. We are striving to release that May 1st, so fingers crossed we hit that deadline. We are distributing press releases on all of our new products to spark some customer interest, investing in advertising and our co-op marketing tools, making it easier for our dealers to promote Artsway product. Also making it easier to access resources through our dealer portal, trying to cut down on any time that you may have to wait for anybody. I think most of you know that unfortunately our warranty portal is down at the moment. We did have a problem with the vendor who was managing that for us. They just could not get it to where we wanted it, so we had to switch vendors. So that is actually being rebuilt by a new vendor at the moment, so hope to have that out later this year and back online for everybody. We've also prioritized our responsiveness, updating our phone system so you can quickly reach who you need to. We did create a new support email address that is always monitored. We are committing to investing more product and sales training to help dealers sell Artsway products, so you'll see some of that coming out later in the year. And also new tools designed to provide accurate production completion dates and our estimated delivery dates. This is an ongoing process for us internally, and we want to be able to get our system accurate enough so that we can provide our dealers, delivery dates, production slots in the system as we streamline our operations side. All right, Art said it best: if you don't have a good brand, how will somebody know the cow is yours? So some of the other stuff we are working on at Artsway is our brand. You've seen a little bit of a new look here just in this PowerPoint slide, but we felt that our brand needed refreshing. It just didn't really match where we're going as a company and the new products that we'll have coming out here in the future. And we also wanted to create a personality for the company that really stands out in the field with the rest of the companies out there. You can see we've kind of got an image of Art Luscombe, the founder of Artsway, and bringing a little bit of personality to him and help explain the company's history, background, and why it's actually called Artsway. And also just to be true to who we are: hardworking, straightforward, no BS. We're not the glamorous guy in the block, but we're the products that are going to get the work done. So we did update our logo, and you will see this starting to come out here in the next couple of weeks, and we'll be transitioning our logos on our products. That'll kind of take a little bit of time as we use up some inventory and transition, and also based off of our build schedule through the factory, but you'll start seeing some of those logos. We did create a brand messaging document, help us define our personality and our messaging to the marketplace. we're using this internally for all of our communications that we develop to make sure it's consistent, and also to help dealers as they do some of their co-op advertising for the product. We create a new tagline, how work gets done. This will go along with the rebranding effort, help us with our brand personality. Some of our ads here, we're updating our advertising, we'll be updating our sales literature along with our website. And, we've taken a little bit of a, kind of a cheeky, little bit more, I shouldn't say aggressive, but just a little bit more out there kind of advertising. We don't muck around, make no mistake. It's built to take a major dump on our 9016 high dump. Harvest season is when we work our beets off for our beet harvester. So you're going to start seeing those ads running mainly online, and just a bit of a different take from Art's Way, but we wanted our messaging to stand out, have customers take a second look. We want them to realize that we make more than just grinders. We have the other product lines, and get people excited to take a look at that. So we did put together a little bit of a brand video here that I'll share with you, help us tell our story a little bit.
Some see our name and say, who's Art anyway? And what was so special about his way of doing things that he'd name a company after it? Well, Art said it best. The name may be mine, but it stands for what we do. Art said things like that all the time. Whether you're dumping seed in a planter box or filling up a feed bunk, there's a lot of work that goes unnoticed. It's not the fun stuff and the big comfy cabs. It's not the fancy stuff that gets all the neighbors chattering. No, it's the hard-working stuff. Manure spreaders, high dump carts, forage boxes, grinder mixers, land equipment, and more. Art said it best. We aren't building conversation starters, but job finishers. Smart, practical, hard-working, efficient, proud. It's how you do it. Art's Way. How work gets done.
All right. Art said it best, if you're not paddling in the same direction, you never reach a new fishing hole. So this partnership, this is a two-way street. We need both partners to do their part. Obviously, things you can do as the dealer, use the new tools and resources as they become available. Learn about the products. Certainly, our sales reps and our internal people can help with that. Don't be afraid to reach out, and tell your customers about the company's new direction. And most importantly, tell us how we can help. Even though we have this dealer council of 5 dealers to help us, with some direction, we certainly want input from all dealers. And you'll be hearing us asking you, for that input, that feedback quite often. And we're committed to making this a success for all of our dealers, and we hope that you're willing to do the same. Art said it best: you can't start a journey if you never put your boots on. We're really excited to kind of recommit ourselves here and work with the dealers and provide great products for the end users. There's certainly still a lot of work to do. We're not going to get this all done overnight, but we are making significant progress, and I know you guys will really be pushing us to get a lot of this stuff in place as soon as possible, but please be patient. We're working hard to get there. When Art's Way is successful, we all feel that success: employees, dealers, customers. And it's up to all of us to make that a success. We need to engineer, innovate, build great products. You saw some of those releases this year. You heard me talk a little bit about some of the things we've got lined up. And we certainly want to make it as easy as possible to sell our products. And we'll be getting that cranked through here, all of our marketing efforts, our training materials, as soon as possible. And that's how the hard work gets done. we did want to share this with you. So we sat down and kind of put together a dealer promise from Artsway. And, this is our promise from Artsway to our dealer group. Just want to run through this quick with you. And, our promise to you is to innovate, manufacture, deliver, and stand behind the highest quality products and parts. Promote a memorable Artsway brand that attracts customers to your dealership and makes selling easier. To equip the dealers with the tools and training that prepares them to successfully sell and support Artsway products. We want to work together to communicate the value of Artsways and the financial benefit, to listen intently, respond quickly, and communicate clearly to resolve any challenges, to collaborate with our dealer network to ensure we're meeting the needs of all of our customers, dealers, and end users, to continually improve with our dealer partners and grow our business together, and strive to be the best OEM partner in the industry that we can be. And that's Artsway, how work gets done. So I did want to share a couple of videos with you that we worked on. Some of you may have seen these. These were released with our latest product releases that we did. We have a manure spreader X Series here. Let me just play that for you.
Art said it best. We're around muck all day, but we don't muck around. The X Series brings new features to a time-tested manure spreader. Flared sides, guillotine-style slot gate, flotation tires, heavy-duty chain that holds a limited lifetime warranty, and Densolite flooring. Add it all up, and there's good reason to believe it spreads yet better than any spreader in the industry. How much can you haul? The X Series holds up to 909 cubic feet of it in a 20-foot box. When it hits the fan, spread it evenly, rotating at 420 RPM with the vertical beaters of the spreader. Distribute manure evenly and consistently over the field. Trust me, it's a glorious sight to see. With an average 30 to 35 foot spread width using dry cow manure and an average particle size less than 2 inches, we don't muck around. Take the guesswork out of applying it with a metered flow system available on the X700 and X900 spreaders. An optional Raven system ensures accuracy within 4 pounds per acre, so you never overflow. Artsway X Series manure spreaders. How work gets done.
All right. Whoops. And we have a 9016 high dump one as well. And this one is where we get a little bit cheeky here. So let me play that for you. Well, it looks like we've got some technical problems there. Let me see if I can fire that back up for you just a moment. Well, unfortunately, that one is not going to play. Sorry, guys. But did want to thank everybody for taking a little bit of time out of your morning and being able to see some of the stuff we're working on from our update here. And hope you guys are as excited about this as we are. And we're really looking forward to the rest of the year and building those relationships with you. So appreciate it, everybody, and hope you guys have a great week. All right. Take care, guys. Thanks.